Good morning guys, from the capital of Hungary. I'm in Budapest. So I just arrived at the monument of the shoes of the Danube. You enjoyed it? Yeah. You liked it, huh? Very good. We are in the Budapest side. Oh my god, look at this place. This is an exclusive langos. Cheers! You have the crown, but then if you look on the right, it's the parliament, which looks absolutely stunning at night. Good morning guys, this is day 3 of Budapest and I got few hours left to spare wandering around Budapest and doing the things that I haven't done. That's the Buda Castle. We went yesterday, beautiful view, and of course the famous Széchenyi bridge, known as chain bridge because you could see chains going across the bridge. That's why I think the name has been given. And also this was the first bridge permanently that was constructed connecting Buda and Pest before it became Budapest. So we got rid of the luggage and we are walking towards the New York Café that will take about 20 minutes from the storage place. So while I'm walking towards there, there's 2 cafes that I could recommend if you want to check them out. The one coffee shop, it's Csendes, which is a concept store. You can see a lot of things over here, but maybe it's temporary or permanently close this place. There's a Lego here, but yeah, the other place is exactly opposite, which it's open because I see people, and I think it's that one. It's called Zoska. It has a nice vibe in there. I'm right outside New York Café, Budapest, and we are about to find out why it's the most beautiful cafe in the world. Hi there, good afternoon. Yes, table for one.
Good afternoon, table for one.
Possibly we'll be sitting in about 5 minutes, but guys, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh, so we got a front row seat, guys. I think I'm the only one dressed with a beanie hat. A Coke, 5.50. The coffees are around 9-10 euros. So the breakfast, guys, it's finished at 11. I will order goulash, why not? It's 11 euros, and I order also a fresh orange juice. But this place is really beautiful, guys. Totally worth visiting, even if it's expensive. Live music right in front of me. Beautiful music. The interior. Here is a goulash in a good looking small pot. My orange juice, music, and this place. What else do you need? This is what a goulash has, by the way. Some potatoes, beef, a nice soup. Let me show you the place now around. This was the New York Café and it's amazing how beautiful it is. I cannot even comprehend. Look at this. This is by far the most beautiful cafe I visited. Going towards the Gellert Hill, on my right I came across the great Synagogue, but we are not going in. I'm just showing you that building. It's a mall. I think it's the Parisian Court. That's the Liberty statue, and that's where we go in there. We are on our way up, which I don't think it's too high. There is another platform here with some views, but we should be arriving anytime soon. You can stop, catch a breath, admire some views, and then off you go. And we just arrived. It looks bigger up close than down there, and that's the statue of Saint Gellert. And here is a nice view of the bridge and the statue, and if we walk to the side we get a nice view of the Buddha castle, which I'm going there now. Down we go, guys. It's time for us to find something to eat. It's almost 3:30 and I got another 2 hours left, so next stop it should be food and then maybe a river cruise, which I'm 50-50 on that. It's a nice thing to do, but I'm not quite sure if I want to. So guys, change of plans. I just had McDonald's and I don't feel like going to the river cruise, so I got another 30 minutes, which I will have some dessert from here. Thank you. Bye bye. It was great having you guys with me on this trip. I had great time and I hope you did too. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you on the next adventure. See ya.